Whenever people meet in Zurich, behind the scenes lies a world of diversity. Zurich, the small cosmopolitan metropolis in the heart of Europe. Zurich, the lakeshore city with a real Mediterranean feel. With its unique combination of great lifestyle and locational qualities, Zurich is an attractive regional hub and a major tourism destination. Thanks to its outstanding infrastructure, Zurich offers an exceptional quality of life. The aim is to conserve these qualities. The roadmap for the future is sustainability. Many international companies have headquarters in Zurich. They value the concentration of locational advantages. For example, the transport system with its global connections, the highly qualified multilingual workforce, the outstanding quality of the services, and the access to leading research institutes. As an important educational location with students from all over the world, Zurich participates in global knowledge exchange at the highest level. Cultural diversity and social integration provide fertile ground for growth and creativity. It's easy to live a good life in Zurich. Zurich's cosmopolitanism goes back a long way. A wide variety of cultures have always lived and worked together in the city. Almost half of Zurich's population comes from a migration background. With its strong culture of welcome, Zurich aims to help foreigners to adapt to the city and to understand and value what it stands for. The relaxed coexistence of the city's diverse groups offers enormous potential for creative living and working, and ultimately brings Zurich closer to the world, and the world closer to Zurich. To ensure its doors remain open in the future, Zurich is happy to continue expanding its cultural horizons. Whenever new ideas spring up in Zurich, behind the scenes lie long-term plans for a city worth living in. Approached from the outskirts, Zurich looks surprisingly green and rural. 1/3 of the city is under forest cover. 44 square kilometers of public parks and green areas are open to the public. Parks and green spaces provide tranquil locations for relaxation and space for sport and play. Very much appreciated and widely used, they provide essential breathing space for the population, as well as habitats for plants and animals. It's impossible to imagine Zurich without its parks in all their variety. Idyll Cemetery, with its 1960s architectural style, is a renowned monument. The clear and sparse architecture is set against a rich natural backdrop, which sets it apart from other more traditional cemeteries. In stark contrast to the cemetery's general green and natural appearance, its buildings, walls and paths are all constructed in concrete. Like all green areas, Eichbühl Cemetery is maintained in as natural a state as possible. One of Zurich's urban planning aims is to offer its inhabitants and workers sufficient recreational opportunities within walking distance. This approach embraces innovative solutions for new urban parks. For example, the MFO Park in Zurich-Oerlikon provides generous space for people to meet and relax on a very small footprint. Multi-level walks, a variety of lodges, and a sunny terrace provide constantly new spatial experiences and perspectives. The park has rapidly become a popular meeting place for young and old. Recipient of a number of awards, the MFO Park is representative of other innovative projects in the green city of Zurich. To ensure that the city can continue to provide attractive breathing space, Zurich also sets standards with its landscape architecture.